Good morning. Today is your first day of school.
I'm excited. Me too.
We're so proud of you both.
Have a great day, my loves.
We will. Bye.
Are you both ready?
My backpack is ready. Mine too.
Let's go.
School, here we come. I can't wait.
School, here we come.
I can't wait.
You'll make lots of new friends.
I hope so. I'm a little nervous.
It's okay to be nervous, sweetie. Here we are.
Wow, the school is so big.
Have fun and be kind.
We will. See you later.
Welcome to our class.
Good morning. Hello.
Please find your seats.
This classroom is awesome. I love the colors. Hi, I'm Ben. Nice to meet you. Hi, Anna. Hi. This is fun. Yeah, let's be friends.
Today is going to be a wonderful day.
I'm ready to learn. Me too.
All right, class, let's welcome our new students.
Hi, I'm Ben. I love soccer. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Lily. I love drawing. Nice to meet you.
Who knows the first letter? Excellent.
B comes next.
Very good. Let's work on our word puzzles. Can you help me?
Of course. We can do it together.
Time for recess.
Yay!
Let's go.
Let's race. You're on. I'll cheer. Your turn, Anna. Thank you.
This is fun.
Pass it. Here you go. Nice kick.
Line up, everyone.
That was fun. I made new friends.
Now it's time for our science lesson.
Science is my favorite. Let's learn something new.
Today we'll do a fun experiment.
I can't wait. This looks exciting.
We'll use these, a balloon, magnets, water, and a boat.
Wow.
This is static electricity. Wow, that's so cool.
It worked. Great job. It worked.
Excellent. Why does the boat float?
Because it's light?
Good thinking. Let's see what happens.
The rock sank. I'll write it down. The boat floats.
Perfect. Keep observing. Great work, everyone.
It's lunchtime. I'm hungry. Let's sit together. Good idea. Come on, Lily. Your sandwich looks yummy. Would you like half? Thank you. You're welcome. This is fun. Oops. Here you go. Thanks, Ben. Next stop, the library. I love books.
Let's find a great story. Welcome, everyone. There are so many books.
I can't wait to read.
The books are over there.
I found a dinosaur book. I found a fairy tale. This animal book is perfect.
Wonderful choices, everyone.
This story is amazing. Listen to this part.
That's funny. Ready for today's story?
Yes!
Once upon a time, in a magical kingdom, there lived a brave young princess. She had a loyal dragon companion who could breathe colorful sparks. I loved that story.
Can we read another one?
Next time. Today we're making posters.
Awesome! I love art.
Let's get started.
I want to make a superhero poster. Me too!
Can I use the blue crayon? Sure.
Let's add more flowers. Good idea!
Wonderful teamwork, everyone. Can we see your rainbow?
Yes, let's show them, Lily.
Wonderful work! Thank you! You should be very proud. We worked as a team.
That's the best way!
Now it's time for PE.
Yes, sports! Let's go! Yay, PE!
Welcome to PE.
I love sports! This will be fun!
All right, class, let's begin. Stretch nice and slow.
I'm ready! Me too!
Arms up high. Now shoulders and touch your toes.
I can do it! I've got you! Great job! You did it! Thanks, Sam!
Go, Sam!
Here you go, Anna! We did it!
Great job, everyone. Excellent teamwork today.
Thank you! That was fun!
See you tomorrow.
Bye! Have a great evening!
How was your day?
It was amazing! We made new friends!
What was your favorite class?
Science! Art and reading!
That's wonderful.
What did you learn?
So much!
We're so proud of you.
I learned so much today. I can't wait for tomorrow. School School is so much fun. Tomorrow will be another great adventure.
Keep learning, keep growing.
We're proud of both of you.